What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Bill, back in the video, man. And in this video, we have the chicken Dorito nachos. Now, I know yesterday I had the steak version, but I had to go back and try the chicken version, man. Now, as me and my mom were leaving the store, man, that Subway next to us smelled so good. We're like, nah, we gotta go try this. And I'm not gonna lie, this Subway worker low-key did us right this time. Like, they filled this thing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm super excited, man. Let's get right into the video. I don't even know where to start. Go right here. Ooh, this is good. Oh yeah, she did us good this time. This was a different Subway location, and I'm not gonna lie, that smell that we were smelling, I think it was this. Yo, wow, that is super duper good. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like the chicken better. I'm normally a steak guy, but I think the chicken's better. Wow. It may just because of this location, but there you go. And the other guy, the video yesterday, the dude told me he couldn't add any more extra stuff to this, and she didn't even tell me that. She added lettuce, she added everything I want. Wow. Subway, Subway, Subway. This may be one of the best footlong items they've added. Wow, look at that. This bite is loaded right here. Wow. All this only being 590 calories too is crazy. Put a jalapeno on that one. Now this is super good. That was good. Alright, man, that was amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm rating this one a 9 out of 10, man. I'm not gonna lie. One, because of the portion again, man. Honestly, I'm not even complaining about the portion. I mean, for $5, bro, it's good, you know. I just wish they add 2 bags of chips, man. It'd just be so much better. But it was still really good. $5, 600 calories. Y'all really can't go wrong. Because I guess if they do double the portion, it's gonna be like 1,200 calories, which, you know, it's kind of bad if you're eating that, only that, and then eating more for the rest of the day. But for one meal a day, it's not bad. But I'm not complaining. This was the taste on this one was so much better than it might have been the location. This location they added way more sauce, way more. I mean, they loaded it. It was super good. But the chicken low-key did taste better though. I'm not gonna lie. Chicken way better. That's why I think I rated the steak at 8.5 and this one at 9. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, chicken wins overall, man. I'm gonna be honest, but that was super good. But yeah, man. I hope you boys enjoyed the video, man. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one.